Well, let's get to some emails tonight. We have some good ones coming our way. I think we have one here from Karen, and she says that she's been operating a business out of her home for 2 years, and now she's finally ready to hire a full-time employee. She knows that this will, running a business, it's going to make her business more complicated having employees. So what advice should you give Karen on going down this new path?
Sure, Karen, good question. The best advice that I can have for someone who's looking to hire employees is before you even start, go ahead and get your personnel policies in place. Even if you're just have a sewing business out of your home, you may not think that's very complicated, but lawyers like myself are in business because it quickly can become complicated. And so it's just best to have good policies in place so that you can set out what you expect of your employees, behavior rules, who's responsible for what. Have all of that stuff in place before you hire someone. And then once you hire them, of course, one of the things that people who hire employees for their first time go astray with is trying to take shortcuts with taxes such as Medicare and Social Security, workers' compensation, and payroll taxes. If that seems really complicated for you as an individual who runs your own business, then there are firms out there, administrative firms, that you can outsource those things to, and they will help you with taking taxes out of an employee's paycheck, even cutting the checks for your employees, and handling all of that for you. But with 1 or 2 employees, it is certainly possible to do it yourself. You just want to make sure that you read up on that. And running it out of your home, another thing you want to do is check with your city and county zoning and planning offices. Make sure you're in good standing with them and that you're allowed to have employees working out of your home, because the thing you don't want to do is get that going and then find out you're not actually allowed to do that and have that affect your business.